Welcome to Twisto Dog Head Tutorial. We're using a Border Collie as our example, but you can tweak these steps for any pup. You'll need 2 pipe cleaners just to make 1 pup. The extra ones in your kit are there for practice or backup. Take pipe cleaner number 1 and measure out your pup's tail length first. Match it to their real tail. Next, leave about a palm's width free for the body section. Step 3, bend the long end at a 90-degree angle and wrap it around twice. Make that second loop just a bit longer to form the nose and snout. Use the awl to poke through and secure the twist. Now, thread that same long end from top to bottom through the center hole to form 1 ear. Leave the loop longer or shorter to match your dog's ear length. If your pup has floppy ears, just make a bigger loop and let it hang. Repeat on the other side for the second ear, then pinch both into shape. Loop the long pipe cleaner around 1 ear, then around the back of the head. And bring it to the front to create a little neck. Next, loop it once around the other ear. Flip to the back of the head, use the awl to poke through both wrapped wires and thread the pipe cleaner through the middle. This fills out and secures the back of the skull. And that's it. Your Twisto dog's head is complete. If it looks good, jump into the body tutorial next. Happy twisting!